Be ready to move if you've got that tornado warning in and around your home. Look at this, about 9 million people in the area to see, very likely to see some severe weather. It does include Waco, Austin, and Houston. Here's where we could see some tornadoes, some damaging winds, some rain, heavy at times. Also some large, we talked about the hailstones coming through. Here's the system dropping out of New Mexico. We got the southerly flow pulling the warm air up, and it's got a lot of moisture with it. Notice the winds coming here. You can see those westerly winds, and then from here the southerly winds. So here's the cold front attached to that area of low pressure, and the two combining together, giving us the lift, letting us get those supercells to develop. Could also give us the chance for some straight line winds as this marches to the east, especially when you start to see some bowing like that. Straight line winds, major concern, because that could also cause some major damage. Aside from the tornadoes, the tornado threat, this is a concern. Houston, Cleveland, Huntsville, Centerville, Lufkin, all of these areas where you see this hashed out area, you could see tornadoes of EF2 or stronger, EF2 or stronger. Now, as we look to March, probability for tornadoes, it starts to ramp up. This is the season we start to see things really fire up. Large hail, a concern for us as well in the areas, and not only just hail about a quarter size large, could get all the way up to 2 inches in the areas that we see here from Waco all the way down to Austin. We're going to continue to see the chance for some large hail, damaging winds, and lightning. This is for Lufkin, Texas. And then look at that, tornado possible, likely, flash flooding likely as well as we continue into Shreveport for Monday night. So this is going to be, in some cases, an overnight event, especially by the time we get to 8 o'clock in the evening. So people will need to react quickly, John, and have the plan, get ready now. And it's multi-day.
Yeah, that's the problematic thing about this, Craig. It's not just, what you're talking about Monday night. This goes on for 2 days after that. This is a major outbreak. We're very concerned about it.
Really are.
Yeah, so have your plan of action ready to go, your family ready to go, safety, helmet, shoes, you know the deal. Memphis, Tennessee right now, 53 degrees. You got beautiful conditions there. The camera's shaking a little bit due to the fact that camera is on a bridge, and sometimes you get that bounce. Going over the Verrazano Bridge, you get the same situation. Memphis at 53, you're in the line of fire as we continue on. This is Tuesday. Severe storm threat is significant. That is the outlook for your Tuesday. From portions of Baton Rouge, Louisiana through southern Mississippi, the highest scale is extreme. We're one off of that, and we never want to see that. There could be severe tornadoes, long track tornadoes, really strong straight line winds with this as we go through time, folks. So, keep your eye to the sky for threatening weather. Have your Fox Weather app ready and ready to go, and the notifications turned on. Hattiesburg, Mississippi, the next 2 days. You get the idea. It's a nice day today, tomorrow. Then the weather goes downhill rapidly for your Tuesday and Wednesday. We're looking at heavy showers and thunderstorms right through Tuesday evening as we get that front with its moisture, energy, and all the parameters working with it in line to create this severe weather outbreak. It will be, unfortunately, a big one, folks. And take a look. Southerly moisture coming up from the Gulf. We have the westerly wind, dry line coming in. We have the energy in the upper levels of the atmosphere. This is all combining to set the stage for that major outbreak that will encompass more than 10 states. We're going to go from Virginia all the way down in this area of red to near Houston, starting with tomorrow. And that's a lot of people, millions, all modes of severe weather possible with this as we track it out on Future Track. From Tuesday, the wee hours of the morning, just follow the intense line. You get the idea. It's moving from west to east, 8 o'clock Tuesday night, and then by 8 a.m. Wednesday morning, it's over the Atlanta metro, and then it goes up toward the northeast with areas of heavy rain. The severe threat for your Wednesday shifts with that storm system to the east. We got southeastern Virginia all the way down through northern Florida. And on top of this, the amount of rainfall is significant. We're worried about flash flooding on top of all of the wind, tornado, and straight line wind damage that is possible. Flash flooding is a major concern, Amy, as we go through the next 2 to 3 days. Lots to talk about. Wish we could get some of this rain where the fires are burning in Texas.
I'm Amy Freeze. Welcome to Fox Weather's YouTube page. We have more great videos on the way, so make sure to subscribe to stay updated on all things weather.